That's my pet right here. Eating saltines I put out for her. They like the salt. Is she beautiful? Right in my backyard. Baby's out there too, but she didn't come by. Hi, Mama. She's just beautiful. Next time I'll get her and her baby. But right now, that's all we have. Goodbye. Goodbye. I'll see you later. Bye. Oh, she's hanging around some more. Right out my back door. Yellow Bolivia has water in there for them. And the squirrels and the cats. Hi. It's okay. I'm just trying to come a little closer. It's okay. Just beautiful. Hi, Missy. Hi, Nate. There she. No, I thought she was going to drink some water. Goodbye. Here she goes.